Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a bread beehive with stuffed cheese inside. So first we're going to start off with 5 cups of flour and a tablespoon of erythritol or monk fruit sugar. You can also use normal sugar too, whatever you want. Then put a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of yeast, and also 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And then mix that all up in a mixer first with a spatula, and you're also going to add 1 cup of yogurt. Stick that in your mixer, let it knead, a little bit of water, a little bit of olive oil, let that become a nice consistent dough, mush it around, stick it in a bowl, same mixer bowl as well if you just want, cover it with saran wrap, put it in the oven at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to proof for about an hour. You can also use a convection drawer or keep it outside if it's hot enough. Next you're going to cut it up into 4 pieces, make it nice and even and flat, and cut it into a bunch of small pieces. If you want to achieve a smaller beehive, cut more balls. If you want bigger wedges of the beehive, make them bigger. Just logic, don't worry about it. But yeah, just cut small pieces, make it into little dumplings so you can have them ready to go. Cover them with a towel to let them rest for a little bit, and we're going to move on to the cheese. So take the cheese that you had just made. I'm kidding. You can use any cheese you like, or you can make it, which we have showed in another video. My mom will link below. But yeah, put it inside a bowl until it is nice and crumbly like this. Take 2 teaspoons of salt, stick it in there, some dry thyme as well. This is, in my opinion, the secret ingredient in this dish because it gives a very nice extra flavor. It makes it a little bit more fresh. Not that, makes it a little bit less fatty because it's bread and cheese. It just cuts very nicely into the rest of the flavors. So then you're going to stuff each of the doughs with the cheese, making it once again like a dumpling, and then placing them together. Notice how she isn't shoving them together because obviously they're going to bake and stick together when they expand a little bit. So you don't have to compress them together, but just stick them so that they're touching as much as you can. And yeah, you can make any sort of shape you want that makes it look like a beehive or an octagon, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of. Okay, wait, not an octagon, maybe hexagon. Okay, a shape. Okay, it's shaped. It doesn't really have a side there. It's more of a curve, so that's not on me. Whatever, it's fine. You don't have to be specific with it. Anyways, make sure your oven is at 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Stick it in there. Make sure to monitor it and stop it once it looks like this, nice golden brown. Look how beautiful it is. We hope you enjoy, and happy beehive breading. Bye!